How to add web push notification to your website in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to add web push notification to your website in WordPress. So let's get started. If you have created an online store or your own website on WordPress, you might be wondering to create a web push notification and you want to get notifications from your website and you have no idea how to add that to your website. So don't worry, this is what I will show you today. So what I want you to do is simply open up your dashboard, your website dashboard in WordPress. This is your own dashboard. You will simply have your website. Now to add a web push notification, what I want you to do is simply go to plugins and click on add new. We are going to be adding a plugin that will allow us to add web push notifications to our WordPress website. In plugins, what I want you to do is simply search for web push notification. So you will find a bunch of different plugins that you can go for. Whatever is compatible with your version, you can simply go ahead and use that one. So I have these and you can see right here, this one is pretty good. Web push notification web pusher, and it has more than 10,000 active installations. Then we have this one, which is known as One Signal web push notification. I'm gonna go ahead and install this one. Simply click on install now and then click on activate once it's installed. So once your web pusher will be installed and it will be added, as a plugin to your WordPress website. So now let's get started with it. Let's set up our web pusher so that we can get web push notifications. So if you already have a web pusher, like if you already have an existing web pusher account, you can simply, add it your API right here. But we are completely new to web pusher. So we will simply click right here on the first tab, which is going to be the registration for our web pusher. So to register, what you have to do is you will simply add your first name, email address, and then password, and then we will confirm password in order to set up and register for our web pusher. So that's what I am going to do now. So once you sign up for your web pusher, just have to add your email address and then you will set up a reasonable password. This is where you will get in here. We will be able to add our different settings for our web pusher and it will help us to get our notification. So you can see right here that now on my website I have this option. You can see right here, this has appeared right here. This is my web push notifications and I have this on my website now. This is super easy, right? Now I will simply do different settings and then I will save the settings. Of course, in settings we will add our target URL and information. So let me actually show you. So we have new post settings. The first thing is enable web push. Yes, we want to enable the web push for our website. You can see right here, this is actually pretty amazing that I got the button in here. Once you download your web pusher, you will actually get it right here. Then we have notification title. So this is where you will actually see the notification title and it depends on the post title as well. The post for which you're getting the notification, that will be the title, but you can simply go ahead and add a title yourself. Then we have notification message. We have post, notification icon. You can also choose a featured image as a notification icon. Then we have select segment, we have automatic notification, we have auto hide notification, we have manual integrations, then we have abandoned cart. This is actually our web push notification for our WooCommerce, because I have added my WooCommerce to my WordPress website. So I can not only add web notification from my website, my basic website on WordPress, but I can also add web push notification for my WooCommerce with this plugin. So this is actually pretty amazing. If we go to the basic dashboard of web pusher, let me take you there and let me show you what are the different things that we get in our basic dashboard of our web pusher. So this is my dashboard for web pusher and this is where I will be able to get all of the insights to my new users. So right here, this is where you will find your subscribers. It's stated right here. Then we have active users, we have opt-in rate, then we have total lifetime users, we have devices, we have browsers and operating systems as well. So this is where you will get all the insights to your website with web pusher, all of the notifications that you want. Then we have manual, then we have of course configuration that I just showed you. Then we have manual push and notification stats as well. Let's go to manual push and let me show you how you can set up a manual push option with web pusher. So with manual push, what you can do is you will create a campaign and then you can send a manual push notification to your users, and campaigns can be sent instantly or scheduled to be sent at a later date as well. So you can simply get all the details and analytics to each of your campaign. It has been sent to your users. Whatever campaigns you have sent, you will be able to get insights to that. Then we have notification stats. That means I will be able to check out all the stats of my notifications that I have sent to my users. So this is the insight right here, notification stats. In here I will be able to check out the ID, name, date created. These are the different notifications that I will create for my users visiting my website. So that is like the basic settings that you can do with web pusher, and web pusher allows you to create your web push notifications very easily. And the best thing is this plugin is completely free. This setup is really easy. You simply sign up with your email address, and that is why I wanted to show you this plugin to add web push notifications to your WordPress website. So now let me actually show you what are our notification stats in our web pusher. So simply scroll down. In here we have notification stats. Simply click on the stats and we will be able to get a view of our different stats. We will be able to check out the insights of our notifications. So right now I don't have any notification, but when you simply get a notification of web pusher, you will find the ID for the notification. Then we have name, we have date created, we have status, we have total attempts, then we have successfully sent, failed to send, and delivered to. So you can simply check out the notification stats. This is the basic setting that you do in order to get started with your web pusher. We also get our web pusher API key. So what you can do is simply copy it to your other websites, and we can activate web pusher right here on our WordPress website. And after that, we will be able to get our web push notifications. We will be able to send web push notification with our WordPress website. So that is why web pusher is an amazing platform for you to use for your web push notifications. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add web push notifications to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.